Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the vibration on your Xbox One controller. So many games utilize the ability of your controller to actually vibrate, and some people find this to be either annoying or it causes pain in their hands. So if you want to turn it off, this video will help you. All right, so the first thing we need to do to get started with turning off the vibration on our Xbox One controller is to simply hit the Xbox button on our controller to open the menu. Then once the menu opens, use the right bumper on your controller to go all the way to the right to Profile and System, and then scroll down to Settings and select Settings. Once we're in the settings, scroll down to Ease of Access in the left sidebar, and then go to the right and select Controller, and then go down to the middle option, Vibration Settings. Now in the vibration settings, all we need to do to turn it on or off is go all the way to the bottom and select Turn On Vibration, and the little checkbox next to it, if that is currently unchecked, that means the vibration is turned off, and if it's checked, that means your vibration is turned on. So once you've turned on or off the vibrations on your Xbox One controller, you can simply back out and go back to the home screen because it is saved. All right, so that's how you turn on or off vibrations on your Xbox One controller. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.